Today we are going to discuss about John Dewey's educational philosophy. He was an American philosopher, sociologist, psychologist, and educational reformer. Uh, Normally, he is called as the modern father of experiential learning or experiential education. He was the founder of a theory he referred as instrumentalism. Instrumentalism is a belief that practice and theory are linked together, and instrumentalists believe that in order to be considered correct, a theory must be successfully applied. He applied his uh, pragmatic theory or instrumentalism belief to education, and he really successfully applied his philosophy. He changed the concept of education forever. In Dewey's thought, education is a social process. It is basically a growth process and not a preparation for life, but life itself. He called education as a life. According to Dewey, powerful educational experiences are a result of two fundamental principles. First is the continuity, and second is the interaction. What continuity? He says continuity refers to how past and present experiences influence the future. On the basis of past and present, of course, we can develop our future. Interaction refers to how one's current situation influence their experiences. So these are the two main concepts presented by John Dewey. He was the advocate of freedom of children in education, but this freedom must be regulated and organized by the teacher. So here the concept of teacher is as a guide for the child in the process of education. The teacher and about the concept of teacher, it should be exercised in the interest of the society as well. The teacher should prepare students according to the present requirement of the world, as well as the focus should be the development of the society. And education should reflect democratic rights. Dewey, in his theory, extensively discussed about the democracy and democratic right in society. He says that students should have some say in the matter of school organization. That means whenever we are designing some educational program, we should focus on this point that students should be involved in this whole process. His idea of learning by doing is practice in classroom around the world, and this we can say is the modern concept which is given by the John Dewey. Education should focus on the quality of the experience more than it focus on the information being presented. So what he focuses that in education should be on the basis of practical applications of things, and focus should be on giving opportunities to apply the concepts, and that is why he gave the concept of project method, in which a student goes on certain project, applies his own resources and concept for collecting information, and after collecting those information, he developed different ideas on the basis of those information. In the project method, the child's interest and purposes are the most important thing in education. So overall, we can say that Dewey's emphasize project method and practical working of the students. Thank you.